Hey guys, welcome to another how-to crypto tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to open a Trust Wallet account. The first thing you need to do is go to your respective app store and download the Trust Wallet app. Once you have it downloaded, open the app and choose Create New Wallet. Click the checkbox, acknowledging the terms of service, then hit Continue. Once you do this, you're going to need to create a passcode, so create something you'll easily remember. After making your passcode, you will be given a 12-word secret phrase. This phrase is super important, so make sure to copy it down both physically and virtually in multiple locations. If you lose this phrase, you will no longer be able to access your wallet. Once you have done this, click the Continue button to verify the secret phrase. Tap each word to place them in the correct order to authenticate your access phrase. Then click Continue. Congratulations! You've now successfully created your wallet. Click the Done button to begin using your Trust Wallet account. Thanks for watching this video. If it was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.